Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Brisa if you are new to this place. If not, welcome back. Thank you for watching again. Today I just wanted to do a review on Shein. I ordered a whole bunch of things because I am quarantined and I have nothing better to do than shop online, and everything just seems so cheap, and a lot of people are talking about how they're getting stuff from this place and how it's big, like fast shipping and everything. So I was like, I'm gonna go ahead and try it out. I got a bag of shit ton of stuff in here, so let's just go ahead and try this. So I got some items from the home section. I got some gym items like workout clothes, and then I think that's really all I got. Maybe like one top of like just regular. I ordered this stuff last week, so it actually came in like really fast, which I really like, because you know when you order something and then like you press order and then you're just waiting for it to come. So I'm actually happy like this stuff came like really fast. I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys what I got. I'll probably put the stuff up too, just so you can see how it like comes out. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you do, please give it a big thumbs up. Go ahead and subscribe, and let's get into it. Okay, first of all, it came in all these like cute little like plastic bags, which I think is like really convenient. It makes it look cute, first of all, and then second of all, it's just like cute, you know what I mean? So the first item I'm pulling out is this sports bra that I got. I can already tell right now my boobs are not gonna be happy with this, but it's really cute. The material itself feels nice. It's really stretchy, and on the little straps it says love, flirt, peace. That's my motto, y'all. This bra, this sports bra, costs $5. Second one, another bag. These don't have coronavirus, that would suck. I got this workout shirt. It might be too big. This is a medium. This was $6. So as you can see on the sides, it has this big opening, which I like, because I sometimes I like loose clothing when I go to the gym. I like t-shirts, but sometimes it does make me look a little, so I kind of want something different. This is cute. Maybe just a little too big. I'll try it on. Next one, I got another sports bra for $5 as well. This one is black and gray. Once again, it was just one size. So this is what it looks like. Jabby, if you're watching this, thanks for letting me borrow the sweater. This is what it looks like. That's my daughter. So again, I have bigger boobs, so I'm not sure this is gonna be great, but we'll see. And it is stretchy. I like that one. So the next thing I got is this cute t-shirt. I am so dumb. Like, that is not a t-shirt. That's definitely just a regular top. I'm sorry for that, but that's not a t-shirt. Ignore that. Bye. This is a one shoulder t-shirt, and it has these little ties, so you tie it around your waist. This one was $7, and it's a size medium. This is mostly polyester, so it feels nice. So it's kind of thin though, so I'm not sure. The only thing I don't like about this is I wish it was a little thicker, just so that you could wear, you don't have to wear a bra with it, but we'll see how that goes. So, two more clothing items. So the second item is some leggings. They're just simple black leggings, okay? I hope they're not see-through. These are size large, and they're $8. And the bottom, they have this like mesh sheer type of pattern. So I'll try those on too. These feel nice. They smell like plastic. Are these people really going to the jacuzzi right now? It's fucking raining outside and they're going to the jacuzzi. I wanna go. The last clothing item I got is this cute USA t-shirt. It's like a crop top. I got it in size medium because I wanted to have like that bigger effect, or like that more loose effect. And it's really cute. The material feels really nice, and it has this little flag on the sleeve. So this one's cute. This one was $9, and it's in the size medium. The back is just plain. USA today. So that's it for the clothing items. Do I need to kick you out? Let's open this one. This is a wall sticker. It's basically stickers, so you stick it on the wall, and on the picture, this smells really strong. On the picture, it shows you like what you could do. That was $2. None of these came with frames. It says it on the website, or just say like without a frame. So I'll probably buy a frame, or I'll probably just staple them on. You know, the ghetto in me. And this is a wall sticker. It's a leaf sticker. No, I'll put these up. No biggie. We'll do that. There's that. I just went ham, dude. I was kind of sad. I'm not gonna lie. I bought this, and then I went on PacSun and bought this Playboy bunny beanie. Got a little heartbroken, no biggie. You know. Hey, shopping, binge shopping when you get heartbroken is definitely better than just drinking away. I did that too, but stop it. You're gonna knock something over. Okay, the next thing I got is this wall calendar. And I thought it came with chalk. It's just basically a calendar design. I'm sure you can write on it with chalk. I'll try it out. If not, then that was a waste of money, because then you can only use it once. But it'll probably just be on just for like fucks and giggles. It looks like, yeah, I think it might take chalk. Maybe not. It was $3. It's not that big of a deal. Anyways, next thing I got is, damn, why are you so complicated? This little poster. I actually like the way these posters are, but it's a poster of a sad girl with pink hair. It reminds me of my friend Annette. She's really cute, so yeah. This is just a little poster. I like the fabric. I like that it's not just plain, you know, on paper, just because those get wrinkled and stuff, and this one's pretty. So I thought I'd just put this up, add a little color to my room. Can you not? Can you not do that? That was so disrespectful. That one was $2.50. I did have a discount code for these, but I think it was just like a random one. It wasn't like, type in Brisa and you get 50% off. I'm not that cool yet, I'm sorry. So the next one I got is this cute retro looking poster of a van. And then the last thing I got, dude, I'm telling you, is this, okay, bitch, come on. It's this moon one. It's called Moon Faces, provided by NASA. You know me, you know how much I love NASA. That is the ending of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this review. I personally liked most of the things. The clothing, like, maybe there was just one. The tights were probably the only things the material was a little too hard. When I work out, I make sure that what I'm wearing is comfortable. That's why I wear a lot of t-shirts, because I'd rather be comfortable than uncomfortable for an hour session. So those were just a little too silky. I'll have to see how they work when I work out, and I will definitely, if I don't like them, I will post about it and let you guys know. But other than that, that is it. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed, and I hope to see you guys in my next video too. Thank you so much. Bye. Oh, it's so fucking hot. Okay, I don't know if y'all saw that, but I put that here. Cool. This is the behind the scenes of unpacking my Shein stuff. Great. Subscribe to my channel. I have to put this shit up, I forgot. How y'all doing?